Okay, today we are getting our international driver's license. That's the next phase of the trip, international driver's license. Okay? Little minute film. Cover number. Okay, good. My hubby got his driving, international driving. Yay, yeah for hubby, yeah for hubby, yay, yay, yay. Of course not.
Is your driver's license?
Yes, and my information is not gonna be seen. I just put the front. Ah, and there's
Forward, backward, your printout, okay?
yeah.
What do you put it here?
Yes. My international driver's license, I got it. Look at this, guys. I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm ready to drive in Africa. Africa, here I come.
Or whatever it is. So, but she wasn't rude or anything, you know.
Good morning.
You gotta be sympathetic to people.
We just left the CA office. We are officially international drivers. We can drive in Africa. I'm so excited, guys, to drive in Africa. So yeah, that's it. That's it today. International driver's license today. So we're gonna go run some more errands. My camera is almost dying, but yeah, that's what we are doing.
I gotta look at this list of stuff to do.
Let me see. Let me take a.
Okay, we gotta put those.
Woo!
This you're bringing this thing.
License. There we go, babes.
You're bringing this thing with you, right?
Yep, of course.
Okay.
We gotta put this in something.
Why is there so much stuff in there? What is in there? What's in there?
Well, it's my purse and my lipstick and some other stuff, which have to come on. I'm gonna put them inside my bag. Don't worry. But I can hold all these things in my thing.
No, because we need to put the driver's license somewhere now.
Countryside, and we are saying goodbye to our awesome neighbor. We just said goodbye, final goodbye. We're not gonna see him for a long time, so we are leaving now. We're gonna head off, go home, get our stuff, pack it up in the van, and drive to the airport. So next time you see me, we will be at the airport taking a flight to Ethiopia and then to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Here we come. This is gonna be the last time I drive on this road for a long time. So let me show you my beautiful country road that I drive on every single day. All these beautiful trees that I see when I'm driving here. You know, this is my country road. This is all the greenery, the horses. I get horse manure over there. I get horse manure from my other friend over here. These are how the mailbox are. They're in front, you know, and the houses are behind. So